Do you have low back pain when you deadlift? Well, I'm going to show you one thing you can do with your abs to help you fix it. Hey, I'm Vincent from Upright Health, where we help you move beyond your limitations so that you can live with confidence. When I began deadlifting, I struggled with injuries constantly, and it took me years to be able to deadlift 3 times my own body weight pain-free. So this is part 2 of a video series on how to fix low back pain in the deadlift. If you haven't watched part 1, be sure to do so because you want to make sure that this video series is appropriate for you. And if you're looking for a systematic way to learn injury-free deadlift technique, be sure to check out the link to the deadlift fix below. So this exercise is the reverse crunch. To perform it, you're gonna need to hold on to something stable like kettlebell as you lay on your back, like so. Once you're in position, close off your hip angle. All right, so this would be open, this would be closed. Close off your hip angle, hold on to that stable object, and then curl your tailbone and your lower back off the floor. Now in part 1, we only lifted the tailbone off the floor and we kept the lower back on the floor, but in this exercise, we want to lift the tailbone and the lower back off the floor. And if you're doing this correctly, then you should be able to feel your lower ab region and your side ab region contract every time that you lift your hips off the floor like so. If you want to make this exercise a little harder, you can open up your hips a little more, right? Open up this angle, but you're still going to go for the same thing. So now let's go into the why of this exercise. In part 1, we confirmed that it was spine extension that was uncomfortable for your lower back. So in the deadlift, you're likely doing the same thing. You're standing up and then ending up in spine extension, spine hyperextension, and that's what's making your back hurt. So to fix this movement issue, you need to teach your body how to move the opposite way, which is spine flexion, right? And that's what the reverse crunch teaches you how to do. It teaches you how to engage your abs to flex your lower back so that when you go back to deadlifting, you're not gonna default to hyperextending. You're gonna be able to feel your lower abs, your obliques, keep you in neutral instead of hyperextension. And that's how this exercise helps you get out of back pain. For this exercise, perform 3 sets of 10 to 20 reps for a minimum of 3 times a week and as part of every deadlift warm-up. All right, that's the video, guys. Be sure to check out the rest of this series, and if you're looking for a systematic way to learn injury-free deadlift technique, be sure to check out the link to the deadlift fix below. If you liked the video, if it helped you, be sure to like it, share it, subscribe, and as always, remember that pain sucks. Life shouldn't.